Nyam Nyam smoothie bowls of deliciousness. Super easy to make. All you need is 250 grams of frozen banana and 150 grams of frozen strawberry in a blender. Whiz away until smooth. Once that's ready, we can spoon it into our serving bowl. Yep, it's as simple as that. Smooth it over with a spoon and add your decorations. Using fondant icing, we've made some flamingos and dark melted chocolate for their legs. A few strawberries here and there, and Bob's your uncle. Our flamingo-themed smoothie. Right, next we add 250 grams of frozen banana and 60 millilitres of matcha green tea to a blender. Whiz that away. That goes into a serving bowl. Smoothed over. This time we're going to add some fondant flowers and some ladybirds, again using melted dark chocolate for finishing touches. Ah, cute, vibrant and colourful. For our final recipe, we add 250 grams of frozen banana and 100 millilitres of butterfly pea to a blender. You get this beautiful pale blue colour. Smooth that over, and that's going to be our ocean. We're going to add a banana boat on there and some white chocolate seashells, a bit of frozen blueberries, and of course a mermaid's tail. And there you have it, a commotion in the ocean. 3 beautiful, diverse smoothie bowls. Delicious. Nyam Nyam brings to you a healthy breakfast treat of 3 different kinds of smoothie bowls. You just need 250 grams of frozen banana, 100 grams of yogurt, 50 millilitres of blue Hawaii syrup. Whiz them together in a blender. Ooh, look at that. Now spoon that into your bowl. Smoothing it over. Sprinkle some dried coconut on one half and a few fondant penguins playing around. Next we get 250 grams of frozen banana, 100 grams of yogurt, 60 grams of cocoa powder, and whiz those away in a blender. Chocolate, spoon that into your serving bowl. Smooth it over. Ready to decorate with some grated dark chocolate and some green fondant plants. And there you have it, a perfect smoothie bowl for any keen gardeners out there. Gorgeous, look at that. Next we get our frozen banana, 100 grams of frozen mango, 50 grams of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey go into that. Yummy. Spoon that into our serving bowl. How bright and colourful. I wonder what this will be. How about some fondant hexagons and some fondant bees? And there you have a gorgeous honeycomb beehive. Beautiful. And there you go, 3 gorgeous designs for smoothie bowls. Super delicious and super creative. Nyam Nyam is here with mermaid and watermelon smoothies, perfect to kickstart your day. These are all you'll need to refresh yourself. Start with 2 tablespoons of gelatin and 25 grams of sugar. Mix them together in a pot on the stove, heating with 250 millilitres of water. Stirring it up so it fully dissolves, starts to bubble away. Then you can turn the heat off and add some blue food colouring. Stir that in. Take that off the heat. And we can start to pour that in our glass. Now we're pouring it at an angle because we're going to freeze it at that angle. While it's freezing, we can get 150 grams of frozen banana, 50 grams of yogurt, 50 grams of coconut, 60 millilitres of butterfly pea, stick it in a blender and whiz it up. Gorgeous. Now that goes on top of our frozen mixture. We've got some mermaid coloured whipping cream to top it all off, purple and blue. And a chocolate mermaid tail. And let's not forget our sugar pearls. Beautiful. Next we get some banana, some yogurt and 50 grams of frozen kiwi. Whiz that away in a blender. Gorgeous green mixture. That's going to go into our serving glass, filling it 1/3 of the way. Now get 180 millilitres of whipping cream and 60 grams of milk. Mix them together in a pot on the stove. Add 25 grams of sugar into that and stir it till it's fully dissolved. Heating it gently. 50 grams of raspberry goes into that. You can use jam if you like, or mashed up raspberries. Add 2 tablespoons of super healthy chia seeds to that and stir it in. Now it's ready to take off the heat and pour on top of our kiwi mixture. Add 150 grams of frozen banana, 50 grams of yogurt, 50 grams of frozen raspberry to the blender. And whiz that up for our third and final layer. Freeze that, and when it's set, add some raspberry whipping cream and a slice of kiwi. Don't forget some chocolate chips. And voila! There you have it, watermelon and mermaid smoothies. Absolutely delicious. Nyam Nyam brings you these 2 cute smoothie ideas of a kitty and a bear. All you need is 150 grams of frozen banana, 50 grams of frozen strawberry, 60 millilitres of strawberry sauce and 50 grams of yogurt. Stick it in a blender and whiz away. Now that's ready to pour into our serving glass. Next we add 150 grams of frozen banana, 50 grams of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of syrup, 50 millilitres of milk, and whiz that away too. That goes on top of our strawberry flavour, topping with whipped cream and some marshmallows, some fondant decorations and a strawberry. Right, for our next smoothie we're going to add 100 grams of frozen banana, 2 tablespoons of deep black cocoa, 25 grams of dark chocolate sauce, 50 millilitres of milk. Looks yummy already. Whiz that away in a blender and pour that into our serving glass, filling 1/3 of the way. Get 100 grams of frozen banana, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 50 grams of chocolate sauce, 50 millilitres of milk, and whiz that away too. That goes on top of our first mixture, so you've got lovely different shades of the same colour, and chocolate whipped cream goes on top, of course, with a couple of fondant eyes and a dark chocolate bar. Yummy. Who wouldn't want a smoothie that looks like a unicorn or a rainbow? Well, it's very easy. All you need is 60 millilitres of milk in a pot on the stove and 180 millilitres of whipping cream. And stir away. Heat it till it starts to bubble. Then add 1 tablespoon of gelatin and mix that in nicely. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds will then go in, and we're going to keep stirring as the mixture bubbles away and starts to thicken. Then we can turn the heat off and pour that into our serving glass. We're going to fill half of our glass and then get 150 grams of frozen banana, 50 grams of yogurt, 50 grams of coconut, and whiz that away in the blender until smooth. So all you need is 3 ingredients for this part, and then that is going to go into our serving glass on top of the chia seed mixture. And why not squirt a bit of whipping cream on top? Make it colourful. Now we're going to add our decorations, some fondant ears and a horn. Of course, it's a unicorn. Now add 150 grams of banana, 50 grams of yogurt and all different types of fruit. Blueberry, butterfly pea, matcha, frozen pineapple, frozen orange, strawberry. And one by one, blend those away to produce absolutely beautiful colours. We are going to layer these colours in our serving glass for a beautiful rainbow smoothie. And to top it all off, let's add some whipping cream. We've chosen pink because we think it looks absolutely dandy. And we're going to add a few strawberries and some sprinkles for a finishing touch. There you have a rainbow smoothie and a unicorn smoothie. What more would you want in life? Go on, have a sip.